Kailash.
Should have gone even bit.
Yeah,
more
right?
vulgar.
Yeah, right.
More vulgar.
Hi, bolo. Hi, bolo.
Huh?
Hi, bolo.
Hello. Should have used big words.
You have no clue. Okay, guys. So we're gonna celebrate Christmas soon, I guess. So we have to pack this. This is the shirt that I got for him. When
For
GB
him?
helped, obviously.
Who him?
Huh?
Who him?
Who him? GB helped to find the shirt.
No, but whose gift is this?
It's for Kailash.
You didn't mention that.
So it's for Kailash.
Chat mangani pad bhi hai, let's
And
go.
I have got no time to pack the shirt. So we're gonna do jugaad. ये क्या है?
That's Faru. Chalo. Desi style. Oh, okay. Not that
ये
this.
डबल साइड है?
Doesn't matter. Just use one side.
तो यार है. Packing is done, guys. Now मैं दे दूँ क्या उसको? Should I give him now only?
Yeah.
So let's keep it where he can see. And we'll like this is for you. No, we'll like.
We'll keep on his chair.
Yeah, we'll keep on his chair.
You got a delivery.
And then he'll be like, what is this? And then we'll like just open it and then yeah, Christmas secret Santa does. Let's wait
Yeah.
for it. We'll put the camera for his reaction now, guys.
Yes,
अभी
sir.
camera छुपाते चलो. Guys, now we are waiting for him to come and he's taking million years to come. He went to washroom and still not here. What do you have to say about that?
I would take more time than him.
Yeah, that is also true because this guy took like more than million years.
Well, I sounded like a little bit gay. I don't know why.
Because he is maybe.
No, but it's obvious that when you're seeing some girls video, it's obviously this gay guy.
Huh? He takes time to take care of his hair. Okay, now we're gonna place the camera before he comes. So yeah, wait for the reaction.
I don't see him. भाई लेकिन हम फक हो गए या तो
क्या हो गया? गलत एंगल है भाई, ऐसे पकड़ते ब्लॉगिंग में.
ओके गलत हो गया.
क्यों?
घुमाते
फोटो
कैसे?
है वो, फोटो है भाई.
भाई घुमाओ कैसे?
नहीं घूमता.
ऐसे दिखा दो.
जीबी ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट हाउ दिस वर्क्स. अब उस एंगल से क्या करोगे?
तो इसने अभी लिखा है ना.
गलत एंगल है.
छोड़ो. इसने अभी लिखा है ना.
क्या लिखा है?
भाई तूने वो लिखा है.
क्या लिखा है?
हैप्पी क्रिसमस लिखा है.
मैरी क्रिसमस की जगह हैप्पी क्रिसमस लिख दिया.
पंजाबियों का यही है रहने दो.
Guys, one more thing. उसका आज birthday भी है. Today is just like kinda some religious calendar birthday. So we're gonna do this also. Happy birthday to Kailash. Kailash, happy birthday. Happy birthday बोलो.
हैप्पी बर्थडे कैलाश. बोल वो.
Guys आ गया, वो आ गया. What are you doing? So lazy.
You didn't listen to Jake.
No, you made me. You have to do work now.
What is this?
I don't know. Maybe or somebody told us to give you actually.
Happy birthday.
Somebody knows your birthday. That is crazy, bro. your religious calendar birthday. Open it.
Religious calendar. I mean,
See, that was happy birthday. See.
no, the sticker and tape. Whose is this? Mine.
Yeah, whose birthday is it? Yours, right? Open it.
I tore it.
Ah,
No.
check the back. Maybe turn it. Turn the back.
Oh, it's you.
I must
That's
be
it.
Santa. Happy Christmas. Belated Christmas.
Happy belated, very belated.
Very belated.
That is a hidden camera.
Next Christmas is coming just in case.
Seriously, I didn't have.
Yeah.
How much did you get this for?
I don't know. This is the second. Is it good?
Oh shit.
Now vlogging time.
Right in
is it?
Barcelona.
Did you like it?
Of course I like it.
Will it fit you?
Yeah, it fits.
That's good. Do you have this one already? Oh, then that's perfect.
Let's go.
Merry Christmas. Credit goes to him. He is the person who thought it. Because obviously he will only know what to
It's
buy.
nice. I don't have this one.
Yeah, let's go.
Vissa Barça, Vissa Catalonia.
ninja technique to clean.
Somebody also knows what. How did you get it?
He sent me the picture. He's like, it won't fit me. बहुत बुरा है यार, आप बहुत ज़्यादा.
क्या किया मैंने? We already recorded all.
Guys, my secret Santa was also Kailash, so I'm going to open this thing now.
I
So
just
I don't feel like even opening this. This is so well packed.
thanks to Guru.
Oh, Guru did this?
Yeah. So guys, I just used the Uno reverse on Mahi. She thought she could surprise me. Yeah,
did,
Uno
I
reverse.
did.
Uno reverse.
3 साल लगेगा. I already know the what is it, but yeah.
Very bad. All thanks to
It's
this
all
guy.
because of this guy. Yeah, actually, I don't use the packaging. I'm so sorry.
Oh, we got Mahendra's. We got Mahi for Mahi.
Damn. Oh my god, this is beautiful. No, these are so good. These are actually, I like it. These are trekking shoes and I love trekking and thanks a lot.
Let's go.
I love it. Thank you so much. Like, genuinely, thank you so much. I've been looking for these, to get that trekking shoe.
Oh.
And you got me.
Well, there you
I
go.
want to wear it now.
Yeah, try on. Eyes.
I hope it fits.
No, I don't think so. It's gonna be big. Check.
You was like, it will be big.
Check. We'll see. Moment of truth.
It perfectly fits.
Maybe.
Like,
I have to use some swear words on you now, right now, but since the video is going on, I spare you.
These are so good. Thanks a lot.
So it's perfect?
It's lovely. It's
Exactly.
perfect.
Exactly what I said.
Kailash is best.
So
10 out of 10.
next trekking, you're gonna use the.
Yeah, definitely I will send you the video of this.
Guess
and
what?
I'll review.
Trekking Kailash on Kailash lift.
Oh, but that's banned.
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that. You'll be in prison.
Yeah, that's right. It's
Yeah.
banned.
They're asking you something.
So it's Japan or China?
It's under China. Yeah, of course. Japan is like somewhere. Okay, I think that's it for today, guys. If you tell me what, I'll let you know. We have a
White Spider-Man,
we
guys.
have Thor. Yeah.
Kailash being Spider-Man. Let's keep shaking.
The spinner ones. It's 250.
It's not focusing.
For Sanchi, yeah,
Anyways.
I said. You gotta search them.
How do you feel after becoming a Spider-Man?
It was my
If you
dream.
stop shaking, then I can focus on it, I guess.
No,
It shakes a lot.
It shakes on its own.
It's not able to focus. Anyways, I got one.
Yeah.
Spider-Man.
I always wanted to be Spider-Man.
Now you're
I'm
Spider-Man.
very
Hold it
well-
on your hand.
Now I'm very well known. Hey, no. Now I'm very well known. Peter Patankar.
From India.
Oh shit.
Damn, where did you drop it?
It's here. I think it's dead. Shit, it's dead.
You killed it.
I didn't kill
You
shit.
killed it. You
I
killed
didn't kill
it.
shit.
He is the murderer of that white
If you're
Spider-Man.
a true MCU fan, you would know
after the spider bit Peter Patankar, I mean Peter Parker, the spider dies. So
Now he's a Spider-Man.
I'm very well sure that tomorrow morning I'll be waking up with huge muscles and I can stick to walls and shit.
That's
Yeah, watch.
Kailash preparing for this, guys. He's gonna be soon there next. Full on work. Now next up is Kailash, guys. Kailash. You gotta bring the crowd now. Go for it. Yeah, Bluetooth connected, guys.
fan Kailash.
You got this. Come on.
दो तीन लोग तो देख रहे हैं.
अबे ये गाते ही आ जाएंगे सब लोग. Yeah, let's go.
Check.
Yeah, we got the crowd coming, guys.
I. It is the echo.
Probably GB can also hear all of.
Echo.
GB को भी सुनाई दे रहा होगा.
उधर सुन रहा है.
Every fucking time. Over and over now. Listen to that with the change that is drastic. No, I've been so bottom of bed every night. I've been trying to come up with those. Think you don't know me enough to go talking now. Let me just bring it, enjoy this show. I think that is the purpose of you being you. Okay. Let's go! Yeah, come right at the top of the left. Can call it a assist. This is what you're asking for. Starting on scoring the switch. Now, baby, you wish this game is a basketball. Been on my grind, say I'm a grind. Wanna join it? I think I'll put it in. Thank you, Anya.
Yeah, big star.
Hey, thanks, man.
Big star, yeah, big star.